Good morning guys, how are you all doing? My name is of course William. This is the Ploughed Garden Services YouTube channel. So as you'll have seen just there, we were on our way to the tip to dispose of a van full of trees and just general garden waste from a job that we're actually going back to today, which I'll show you. We're going back today to do some pressure washing. Over the past couple of days I have been doing a garden tidy up. Didn't film any of it because it was quite close to the house, things like that, so just for the privacy of the customer. We've just turned up to the tip and they've told us that they are not accepting green waste at the moment and it probably won't be for the rest of the week. So that's good fun. So we'll need to figure out something else where we can dispose of all this, because I need to get the van emptied and I need to get the pressure washing stuff in. So once I figure it out, I'll come back to you and I'll let you know what the plan is. So guys, it's the next day. I had a bit of an issue yesterday with the disposing of the waste. The van was packed front to back, wall to wall. The normal place that we used wasn't accepting garden waste for the rest of the week, which is a bit of a nightmare. Usually quite reliable, but these things happen. So by the time we managed to find somewhere, it was round about 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon. By that time it's already getting dark and there's absolutely no point in trying to start doing a job because we're going to run out of light very quickly. So I just want to give a massive thank you to Cushley Waste Management in Coatbridge. They helped me out massively yesterday. They managed to get a place recommended to me. They actually took me down and introduced me to the owners, and we managed to get all the waste tipped. So again, massive thank you to Tracy and John Paul from Cushley Waste Management. That is so appreciated, you don't even know. We would have been very stuck if it wasn't for they guys. So if anybody watching, if you're needing any waste uplifts, they do bins, they do just general uplifts, do all sorts of things. I'll stick a wee link in the description to their Facebook page. If you're in Coatbridge, Motherwell, East Kilbride, kind of Lanarkshire area, then please do give the guys a call. Brilliant people, and as I say, they help me out massively. So it is currently raining, which is not unusual for Scotland, so we are just about to head to we are currently heading to the job just now. So once we get there, I'll show you around, show you what we've been doing, and I will show you what we're going to do. Right guys, so we're at the property. As you can see, I'm all waterproofed out, so I'll just show you what it is we're going to be doing. So when we came here, this was all a big tree. We've cut that down, we've trimmed all of these up, and we've trimmed all down the side of these. These were all grown out over the path, so we've trimmed all these up. So we're going to be pressure washing all down here, all the bits along the front of the property there, and the stairs going down. When you come round here, get the pressure washer getting set up there. I'm going to be pressure washing this driveway. That goes down there. So pressure wash all of this. This should come up lovely. once we walk round, we've got the path going round there. That's the front of the property, leads to the back garden. We're going to be doing all of this, all down here. Once we come round the back, we've got all of this to do. On here, all around here, a little path round there, that big square over there. Path goes all the way around, back down here, and we have the little sitting area here. So all in here, all in here, as you can see, very mossy. This certainly hasn't been done for a good number of years. This little bit here, and back round to here. So guys, this is probably one of the biggest ones that we've done on the channel, at least anyway, so should be good, should get some interesting footage. So I'll stick in a little time lapse and we can see how the progress goes. Right folks, so as you can see, I'm absolutely disgusting. That's the pressure washing job just finished, so I'll take you around, show you a little bit about it. It's kind of starting to get dark now, so the rain managed to stay off for the majority of the time. Just a kind of a little half an hour when we started, but after that it dried up. So as I say, I'll spin you around and I'll show you what we've done. So we've got a driveway here. Customers actually just came back, so you can't see the full driveway, but not to worry. We go down to here. As you can see, it's all looking lovely. Got steps there, looking nice. Monoblocking. Go around the front. Front there, there's a couple of little puddles that we couldn't get rid of, but that's alright. We've got stairs. And the side here. And then in the back garden. That's all come up looking pretty good. These stones, they've come up really nice. Obviously you've got the monoblocking all the way around. You've got this little bit here, it's come up really well. I don't know why, but it's showing a lot of dark spots on the camera, but there's not actually anything there. I don't know if it's just because of the same here. I don't know if it's just because it's starting to get dark. The camera's not agreeing with it, but I go down here. Again, showing a couple of little dark spots, but not to worry. And over here. And drainage has been quite a bit of an issue at this point. So I have told the customer that there is a couple of little puddles, but do assure her that everything underneath is clean. Just a couple of little puddles. Once the rain stays off, then it should dry up nicely. I more than likely will come back tomorrow just to see how it is during the day, but we'll have a little look as and when. So if you've stayed this long, thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.